I never knew love would come.
Hey best friends, welcome back. If you're new here, hey, my name is Levion and I would love it if you would become a part of the Extremely Modest family. So in today's video, I'll be doing a quick cleaning and some minimal decorating. If this sounds like something that you are interested in, please stay tuned. So first, I'll just be dusting my furniture, giving everything a really good clean before putting up some decor pieces. When the holidays come around, I'm not one that likes to decorate my entire home with Christmas joy, but I do like to sprinkle some decor pieces around for the holiday season. I wanted to share this tiny portable vacuum from Breezy, weighing only 1.7 pounds. It has a powerful suction and compact design, which will get any job done. I love that it comes with multiple accessories for different occasions that can be used as a keyboard cleaner, getting those tiny crevices in your car interior. And since a lot of us are decorating for the holidays, we're all using like the glitter and the fake snow, this vacuum will be perfect to get up those small messes after decorating. It also has a washable dual filtration system which can be washed and reused. I'll have a link provided below in the description box for anyone who is interested. I would definitely recommend checking this out. I love this little vacuum cleaner. It came in handy when I was like decorating and just getting up all the little dust and glitter from decorating.
It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans.
In my entryway, I'll just be doing a really good dusting before adding in a few decor pieces.
The door, all my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram, I even tried to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. just to make it up to you. But you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your line. Pick up your line. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your line.
Moving on to my kitchen, I'll be cleaning up in here as well. So when the seasons change, I love using seasonal scented cleaners. I picked up the Snowdrop scent, which smells absolutely amazing, and the Iowa Pine scent, which I'll be using today to clean, also smells really good.
I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place.
When I'm cleaning my kitchen, I like to move all of the appliances out of the way and clean behind it. And I'm also very mindful to wipe down all the objects on the countertops, as well as wipe down my cabinets.
Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Baby, I don't wanna fight. It has to hurt, that's how I know it's right. But you won't feel the pain alone. No. Every inch of me is hurting, and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say.
Instead of purchasing the different soap dispensers, I like to save some coins, and I'll just be using the soap refills. And since it is the winter holiday, I'll of course just be using a winter holiday scent.
We became a lonely place. Yeah, so long, my dear.
Moving on to my dining area, I'll just be cleaning off the table, then I'll sweep and mop, and I will be done with my clean today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all were able to find some motivation to clean any space in your home as you may see fit, as well as get some holiday decorating done. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and if you aren't already, please go ahead and consider subscribing to my extremely modest YouTube family. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.